Hey everyone, this is Ankit Malan. I hope you are doing absolutely amazing. So let's get started with today's topic. Now in this particular video, I'll be discussing about the most prominent topic nowadays, which is about the increase in gold prices during this pandemic situation. Now what happens is there was a news on 24th June regarding the price rise, and it is being mentioned over here that on 9th of June the expected price was 46,000, and it is assumed that it will be keep on rising, and as per the statistics on 7th of July it would be around 48,000. Now mark my words that these are the expected statistics. Now let's figure it out what was the actual price on 7th of July, that is today. As you can see, and here the graph is mentioned that what is the dimensions of the price over the past month, and as you can see the price of the today is 50,050 rupees, and today it has actually fallen down. Now the main question which exists in our mind is, why is it so? Why the prices keep on rising in this pandemic situation? Because people are losing their jobs, they don't have enough food to eat. Then why it is happening that it is rising irrespective of the pandemic situation? Now see, the most prominent factor which is involved in hike in price is actually the demand. According to the reports, it has been observed that there is an increase in demand for the gold during the last months, where the pandemic situation was at its saturation point. The demand of the gold is increasing day by day. Now before coming to that, I would like to mention the consumption pattern of the gold. Now nearly what happens is 700 and 800 ton of the gold is consumed per year in India, and what happens is during this consumption 60% of this gold is used for jewelry, and 30% is used for the investments, and the remaining is used for the ornaments and temples. But the main point still lies is why there is an increasing demand. I would like to mention this thing that as far as demand is concerned, there is a major change in the pattern and the mindset of the people. Let's figure it out. Now, as I mentioned in the previous slide, that the gold consumption is in investment, in jewelry, and reserve by central bank. I'll be covering into that point later on, but let's figure it out. What is the criteria for investment? See, according to the statistics, people are losing their job, right? And as far as they are losing the jobs, they don't have enough food to eat, and somehow the other this pandemic situation has created a fear in the mind of people, and in order to cope up with that uncertainty, they are spending less, and that is why they need some sort of safety and security. That is why, and think about it, what could be better as far as investment is concerned, rather than going for share market or any sort of mutual funds. People are thinking that investing in gold is a much better way, because it is generally believed that somehow the other, either today or tomorrow, the prices of the gold will definitely be increased. So the main purpose, three main purpose, which are in long-term investment, safety and security, and growth purposes, all these three purposes are fulfilled as far as investment in gold is concerned, right? This was the first thing. Now coming on to previous slide, as I discussed about investment, I covered it about jewelry. See, basically nowadays, as you know, the functions and events are not going on, so there is hardly any demand for jewelry. So that is least bothered about gold consumption as far as this pandemic situation is concerned. Now another thing is reserve bank and reserve by central bank. Now you will be surprised to know that during this pandemic situation, different countries have increased their demand for reserves, for as far as reserves is concerned, such as central bank, European central banks, and the People's Bank of China and Federal Reserves. Why? Because what happens is this reserves actually define the credibility and the credit rating capacity of any country, which means that the credibility of any country to pay out its debts. So that is why, that is the reason why there is a increase in demand for gold consumption. Now, what do you think that whether this consumption or this increase in demand gonna have any impact on our country? Whether it's gonna change the Indian economy? Even if it is yes, then why? Even if it is no, then why? Do put your thoughts in the comment section and let me know. Till then, stay tuned, stay blessed, stay happy. Thank you so much.